Hello everyone, welcome in tutorial 10 of course on VBA Excel programming, and today's topic is option explicit. Understand how option explicit work and the importance of option explicit while declaring variables. In last tutorial number 9, we learned about variables, how to declare it and how to use variables. We talked about dim variable, dim variable as type. Is it dim I as integer? Dim I we can declare like this. There are two ways. Here we define type also. So we are telling computer that this is a name of the variable that we have declared. Fine. Uh, Let me tell you that by default, declaring variable is not mandatory, which means whenever a new word will come, computer will understand it is a variable and it will assign a default value. Say by for integer, by default value is 0. So it's take like this. Now what happens with this type of thing? Sometimes it happens there's a mistake. What type of mistakes we will discuss in this video tutorial. So to avoid this, it is good practice to declare variable and make it mandatory to declare variable. What does this mean mandatory? It means if we write user option explicit in the declaration section to require documentation of variable, declaration of variable. What does this mean is if we will use option explicit, computer will tell you that this is something new I have never heard of. So let's do something with an exercise. I will try to explain the importance of option explicit and how we will use it. So let's open our Excel. Let's move into developers, Visual Basic, insert module. So look, I told you that there's no need to declare variables first of all. So we will not declare any variable and let's do without, let's calculate our interest, say simple interest formula. So I say sub name of the int underscore cal. So we are making a sub to calculate interest. Interest is like principal rate time and simple interest formula is SI. Fine. So let's do it. I say P is equals to 5,000. This is my principal. R is another variable. R is equals to say 10%. So I will write 10 and will use percent by divide by 100. 10. And say T is time which is equals to 4 years. So simple interest formula is interest. Say I am taking the variable name as interest. Complete name. interest is equals to, I say P multiply by R multiply by T divided by 100. So this is my formula. Now I want to display this value in say Excel. So I say range A1 dot value is equals to interest. interest. Look, now this is correct spelling. Fine. This is same. interest. Sometimes we can do mistake also. So first of all, the spelling is correct. Let's see and run the formula. Our program. Run. I click on run. There is no error. Let's move into Excel and see. We have got the result 2000. Fine. Principal rate into time. We have got this formula 5000 into 10 into 4 divided by 100. Okay. So this has been done. Now suppose, imagine instead of interest, interest, I forget to write this. Now it is not readable. It looks like similar to us. The spelling is same. Let's run this program again. Run. Now see what happens. Answer is blank, which is equals to 0. What happens? There is no error in the system. We had done the typing mistake, but we are not able to understand neither computer. Why? Because this was a new variable. Computer has taken up and assigned a value 0 and it has given the output 0. Calculation was done in this variable, but somehow print was done for this variable. So what we want to do is, we want to make sure that this type of mistakes can be saved. We can be saved from these mistakes. How we can do it? So there is a command called option explicit. First of all, let's go above and write option explicit. Fine. OPTIUN, option explicit. Fine. So look, when I press enter, it has become. Now what does option explicit means? That in a program, every variable must declare. Now see, I will run the program. So now there is an error which says compile error, variable not defined. Which one? This P1. Okay. Actually, it will take all errors one by one. So let's declare our variables. Dim P, comma, R, comma, T, comma, INTEREST. So look, I have declared it. I'll say run, reset. Fine. Now let's run this program. Let's run this program now. Now, according to me, everything is correct. Let's run. So now its computers tells you us, compiler tells you us that this is something different in test. So look, now if you do a mistake in your variable typing, computer will tell you that there is a mistake, this is something new. So now you can identify, oh, this is the wrong spelling because we have already declared the right one. So now we can say INTREST. So now this becomes correct. Now run, reset, and now let's run the program. So here comes the answer. So what I want to tell you is that with the help of option explicit, declaration of variable becomes compulsory. And when we declare variable compulsory, if we introduce another variable by typing spelling mistake, computer will tell, look, this variable was not declared. So we will be saved from mistakes which we cannot identify else. Fine. So this is, so every time you create a module, insert module, so this is true. So you have to write option explicit. Fine. But look, you don't have to write. There is an option in the system. So, fine. So in tools, options, there is a tick, require variable declaration in tools option. So if you click this, now every time when you open a module, it will by default write option explicit for you. So you just tick over here. Okay. Now see, what I'll do is I'll insert another module. Insert module. So every time option explicit will come by default. So you don't have to do anything. You have to just declare the variable what we are doing. So it is a best practice to always declare variables. This will save mistakes. This will save you from mistakes. And it will looks good also. You'll know what type of variable it is. Fine. So this was all about option explicit. Hope you are able to understand. Fine. So this was all about option explicit. We had done. So if you want to join this course, make sure to join bi-analytics.org website and sign up. It is a free sign up and join the club, Excel VBA Programming Club, where you will find all tutorials with the help of sequence. If you have any questions, you can ask over the questions. All the related files to download will be available in the file section of that. We have a complete systematic tutorial section available. So join us. Look forward for you, and please let me know how was this video. Hope you are able to understand the importance of option explicit. Thank you.